Hi guys, my name is Mr. Moore and I'm the graphic design teacher here at SRHS High School. Graphic design is a 2-year computer program where you'll be recognised by the state for being a completer in that area. We also offer a 3rd and 4th year. The 3rd year you get to run your own business and do work for local business clients. And then finally in the 4th year you can do an internship and get experience with a real life client working out in the field. Some of the software you'll be using in this class this year will be Adobe Photoshop, which is on the screen right now, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Indesign. Behind me here I have a sample of some students' works that we've done over the past number of years. So you can see we work on lots of things like company logos, packaging design, which we then mock up and we actually cut out in cardstock. We also do things like t-shirt design. We actually have done a lot of work for local businesses. We've designed t-shirts for them for their uniforms. We do things like in Adobe Photoshop. So Photoshop, you'll learn about photo editing. You'll go outside and use a camera to take photographs and then come back in and edit and enhance those photographs. We'll also learn about compositing in Photoshop, where you cut images out and compile new images and do things like movie posters, advertisements, single page documents in Adobe Photoshop. After Photoshop, we move into Adobe Illustrator, and that's where you learn about vector graphics. And vector graphics are used for company logos and things like illustrations. So we do a lot of work like that there in that area, and kids really like that. And then finally, we move into Adobe Indesign. And Adobe Indesign is a desktop publishing software that is used to do multi-page documents. Over here we have samples of work where students have done work for a local company, outlining their spa treatments. We've done menus, we've done advertisements for magazines, and then we've also done lots of other works for people in the school. If you're interested in this class, you can look up more information on the Dysart website. You can contact your counsellor, or you can contact me directly, Rodney Moore at SRHS High School. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in my classroom next year.